Linux Package Manager is a tool that simplifies the installation, removal, and management of software packages. It automates the process by handling dependencies, ensuring smooth software installations and updates on the system. Let's know the importance of Package Manager along with the different Package Managers example. And you will find all the necessary links, commands, and syntaxes in the description. Think of a package manager like an intelligent assistant for your computer that helps you easily install, update, and remove software. It's like having a personal shopper who not only fetches the items you want but also ensures everything needed for those items to work is included. So, instead of manually handling each piece, the package manager takes care of the entire process, making software management a breeze. Package management has become easier and more efficient with the functions that they provide, such as installation, removal, and cleaning. Package Manager provides tools to install, uninstall, and clean the packages to manage the software. Manage dependencies. The Package Manager makes sure your computer gets the right software pieces that work well together, avoiding mistakes and problems. Quick software setup. While installing a package on a system, Package Manager handles the dependencies and installs the required package. Centralized repository. As a package manager provides the central repository, one can easily download thousands of libraries. Automatic resolution of conflict. When multiple versions of different packages need the same dependencies, it solves the conflict and conducts the particular function. Management of versions. It helps you to install specific versions according to your needs and also upgrade and update the packages to newer versions. Security. Package managers provide verified packages most of the time, so it ensures the software legitimacy and lowers the possibility of downloading and installing dangerous malware. Management of distribution. The package managers smooth the distribution of software for the software developers and also make it accessible for users over different operating systems. There are many package managers in Linux distributions, such as dpkg, rpm, apt, YUM, and Pacman. Some of them are low-level package managers and some are high-level. And here you can see a diagram of different package managers is presented. In the Debian-based Linux distributions, you can see two levels of package managers. One is the low level and another one is high level. So let's have a look at all these package managers individually. dpkg is the Debian's core package manager employed by distributions such as Ubuntu and Linux Mint. Its file extension is .deb and includes package installation, removal, querying, and security verification. Dependencies are managed by external tools like apt and apt-get. dpkg installs packages from local files and also offers direct package management, which is useful for developers. But it does not support rollback or there is no automatic dependency resolution. In Debian and Ubuntu, apt smoothly handles software via .debian files. It excels in features like automatic dependency resolution and efficient package management working seamlessly with the dpkg backend. apt is user-friendly and depends on the centralized repository. Besides, it offers an infinite number of repositories, pinning feature and using online repositories. But it cannot remove old packages and has lack of customizability and flexibility in command. Aptitude is a front-end package manager that needs to be installed manually. It is used over apt and Debian-based systems with .deb packages, offering a user-friendly interface with advanced features, robust functionality, and adept handling of dependency resolution for fixing broken packages. To install Aptitude, you may use the command sudo apt install aptitude. Though Aptitude is user-friendly and provides searching, sorting, and advanced interactive mode, some GUI users may still face problems for low-resource systems. Synaptic is a graphical front-end package manager that provides the same features as apt-get. The file extensions are .deb and .rpm. It can install, remove, and upgrade packages, but it does not come by default. To install it, you have to use the command sudo apt install Synaptic. Synaptic offers a customizable repository along with a user-friendly interface and also seamless dependency resolution. But the problems are it is only useful for GUI users and has a lack of advanced features, and it's slower while updating packages. Redhat-based Linux distribution has also two levels of package managers like Debian. Now I will describe RPM as a low-level package manager and YUM and DNF as a high-level package manager. The package manager is used for installing, removing, and updating packages on Redhat-based Linux distributions. Red Hat tools manage .rpm packages in systems like RHEL and CentOS, featuring automatic dependency evaluation and cryptographic verification. The dependencies are handled by external tools like YUM and DNF. In spite of having a customizable source code and a useful backend, it is less user-friendly. Also, it cannot resolve dependency automatically and it updates slower. YUM acts as a frontend for the RPM backend and manages .rpm packages. It excels in installation, removal, automated updates, and dependency resolution, using built-in verification tools for current package installation with efficient repository management. Though adept at solving dependencies and enabling extensive repository customization, it faces limitations, such as an undocumented API, the absence of a pinning feature, and occasional slowness during downloads and upgrades. DNF, the modern successor to YUM, is the default package tool in Red Hat systems. The file extension is .rpm. It's speedy and can download multiple things at once and efficiently handles dependencies, making software tasks easy. However, it requires third-party help for dependencies and conflict resolution. DNF features a fully documented API, a modular design, an efficient network, and an improved dependency solver algorithm. However, it is limited by a relatively small and less supportive community. Arch Linux is a lightweight Linux distribution that also supports rolling back. Let's learn about Pacman, a package manager of this distro. Pacman in Arch Linux manages software using simple compressed files and a text-based database. The file extension is .pkg.tar.xz. It's lightweight, speedy, supports high-speed packaging, and automatically upgrades packages. While it excels in resolving dependencies, but does not act as a front-end for a backend package manager. Pacman offers high-speed packaging with automatic retries for failed downloads, but it comes with fewer features than some other package managers. It lacks an official graphical user interface, necessitating manual configuration for certain tasks. Gentoo-based Linux distributions uses the Portage package manager to manage the system. Now, in this section, I will discuss Portage. Portage, employed in Gentoo and its derivatives, is a source-based package manager with a file extension of .ebuild. It offers parallel packaging, flexibility, and configurability, and also excels in resolving dependency and conflicts by installing necessary libraries and components. The package manager excels in robust dependency resolution and high-level customization, enabling continuous system updates without version upgrades. However, its complex syntax may pose challenges for new users, and the package compilation process can be time-consuming. If you are thinking of choosing a package manager, you should consider some important points, such as speed. Choose the package manager that shows faster results, include faster installation and updating large files. User-friendly. Choose a package manager with an interactive mode for reviewing changes and a simple interface to understand installations and updates easily. Easy use. Choose one that consists of easy syntax of commands that help the beginner to memorize them. Features. The chosen package manager must have different and advanced features to manage the software effectively. Seamless development. The workflow should be easy for the developers. So while choosing a package, you must have to verify these points. In conclusion, package managers are vital tools for managing software on different Linux distributions. In this guide, I have covered examples like dpkg, apt, YUM, DNF, Pacman, and Portage, each with its unique features, pros, and cons. You can also find the syntaxes in the article linked in the description. And if you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to comment. Goodbye!